Hey guys, it's Mr. Stubbs. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on mini grid number 3. So mini grid number 3, lesson 3, quizzes. All right, so with quizzes, you're going to watch this video, which you're doing right now. That would be this. And then you're going to go and you're going to click on this link right here that's going to open up our class syllabus. So our class syllabus is just a wealth of information about the course. All right, contact information. There's information about Mr. Sherrick, who is my intervention specialist, course objectives. I thought this was pretty cool, the Ohio 7 math standards, pages to pay close attention to. What can you expect each week? When is our office hours? The accounts that need to be ready to go from basically the first day that we start doing actual schoolwork. What else we'll be using? Remind. Make sure you check that out. Here's our course outline. Weekly schedule, grading policy, and expectations for participation and behavior online. Okay, so if I go back here, so once you look through the syllabus a couple times, hopefully you do that with your parents, you're going to do this activity right here, which is a Quizizz activity. Now let me show you where that's at. All right, so if you go to our Google Classroom, all right, it is here on the stream right now, but this will obviously get pushed down the more things that get added. So if you go up here to classwork, and under our course hub, you will find the Math 7 syllabus quizzes. And if you open that up, there it says mini grid 3, lesson 3 quizzes. All right, you're going to want to click on the web link if you are on a computer, or mobile link if you're on a mobile device. And then it's like a 10-question quiz. Please make sure your parents go through this with you, because the last question on there is a part where they sign off, okay? So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out. If not, have fun and enjoy exploring Quizizz.